Let's make hot and sweet teriyaki chicken wings in under 2 minutes. I have taken wings here. You can also use boneless chicken. Marinate the chicken wings with teriyaki sauce, it's sweet. So I'm adding some chili powder for a spicy kick. Add a little salt, just to taste, and mix it all up. Let it rest for about an hour to soak up all that flavor. Heat some oil in a pan, and add the marinated wings. Save the leftover sauce and the stock, it's gold, don't throw it away. Once the wings are cooked through, remove the stock and cook the wings for 5 more minutes. You'll see them turn beautifully caramelized, just look at that color. In a clean pan, sauté minced garlic and red chili flakes in a little oil. Now add the reserved stock and leftover marinade. Let it boil until it thickens into a rich, sticky glaze. Pour that glossy sauce all over the wings. Finish with roasted sesame seeds, and there you have it. Spicy, sweet teriyaki chicken wings, ready to devour. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious videos.